Hi everyone, back again today with some Knex Super Mario Series 8 collectibles. We've got two here, so we're going to open both of them and see what we get. Okay, here goes. Here's the first one to go. So let's see how we open these. Wow. Okay, cool. Let's have a look. Oh wow, we've got mushroom, I believe. Wow, absolutely love that. Let's have a little look. We've got toad, that's what we have. So it's really easy instructions to put them together. So let's have a go at this then, shall we? Okay, so the feet. So I'm guessing this one goes into here. Really well, not that way. Brilliant. Absolutely love these figures, I think they're fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. So we'll put the feet on. Oh, they clip on really easy, which is wonderful. We love that. Put the hands there and Toad's head. Wow, fantastic. Love that. That's brilliant. I think there's loads to collect, so brilliant. We love Toad, so we'll pop Toad down over here. Fabulous. And then we'll go and have a look at the next one. Fingers crossed. Well, it feels like another one. Hopefully not. Let's have a look and see. Ha! Fantastic, another one. Hey ho, never mind. It's always great to collect. And then you can always swap them with someone who has one that you want and maybe they need Toad. And now that I know I've done one once, I know how to do it again. Oh, where's your head gone? Fantastic. Oh, well, I really like these. They're super easy to put together. Fantastic. Two Toads. Lovely. Really like those. They're really heavy as well, which is lovely. And then let's see if they stand up. Ah, perfect. They do. Wonderful. Well, looks like we have collect all 7. So it looks like we have on here. We've got Toad, we've got Donkey Kong, Princess Peach. Oh, not sure who that is. Is that part of Donkey Kong? I'm not entirely sure. Well, that's something we'll find out soon. Yoshi, Luigi, and Bowser. Fabulous. Well, there we go. That's today's ones. I'll be popping out again to get some more, and we'll have a look and see, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get some more. Until the next time. Bye. Bye.